Yalanas, thank you very much for joining me for the live class on 19th century literature. So today we're gonna discuss about a new text or a new novel written by Wuthering Heights, right? Sorry, written by Emily Bronte. The title of the novel is Wuthering Heights. Okay, first of all, we know about the life and background of the author, and then we will go through the introduction to the novel. Right. As it's a novel, we're gonna go through summary during the class, and I recommend you to read the text at home. Okay, so personal background of the author. Wuthering Heights is a strange sort of book, baffling all regular criticism, yet it is impossible to begin and not finish it, and quite as impossible to lay it aside afterwards and say nothing about it. This review from Douglas Jerrold's weekly newspaper was one of the first receptions to Emily Bronte's novel. So Douglas Jerrold's weekly newspaper প্রথমে এরকম রিভিউ করা হয়েছিল উদারিং হাইটস নভেলটা সম্পর্কে, যে বইটা পড়া শুরু হবে কিন্তু শেষ হবে, right? So we must leave it to our readers to decide what sort of a book it is. The conclusion in this review, which is the extent of praise the novel received on its publication, pertains not only to the novel Wuthering Heights but to Emily Bronte herself. It is up to readers to determine what type of writer Bronte was. Besides, okay, so the conclusion in this review, which is the extent of praise the novel received on its publication, pertains not only to the novel Wuthering Heights, but to Emily Bronte herself. It is up to readers to determine what type of writer Bronte was. Besides, Wuthering Heights, only a few poems of hers exist, and electricity চলে গেল।